Hi everybody, Beth's Classy Chalking. Got another video for you today, and still having some Wi-Fi issues in the neighborhood, so I am shooting a video the old-fashioned way with one view only, and I'm trying to get a good view of this board. Okay, so today we are doing She Believed So She Did, and it is available on Chalk Couture on my website, She Believed She Could. This is one of the $14.99 B size transfers. I'm using white and coastal blue as my colors of chalk paste, and I have a sanded board that has been painted with chalk paint on it first, and then sanded down so that it has a very smooth finish. No splinters or anything. It is splinter free, so I don't have to worry about my transfer sticking or splinters sticking to the back of my sticky transfer. So I am ready to go. I have written back on the back of this transfer so that I stick the transfer back to the correct side of my sheet. All right. I love all the positive sayings that are coming out on our transfers. I think they're great. Very positive self-image that this gives for my daughter, for your sister, for your friend, for your students, whoever needs to hear this. And let's face it, we all do at some point or another. Okay, I have pre-stirred and added water to my paste, a couple squirts each, just to make sure I'm still keeping that good consistency. It should be a yogurt consistency. So you want to stir it, you want to see that it's got a pretty good flow, not too thick, not too thin. Okay, I am going to be using some placement tape, and that is because I have two different colors I'm doing, and I just don't want to get too close to and get paste in the area I don't want paste. Okay. Okay, I think that should work. All right, I'm using the angled squeegee today. I love all the different positions that you can use to chalk. And I am going to do the bright white on the top words and bottom, and then the coastal blue for the middle words. Our white paste tends to dry faster than some of our colors do. So I'm doing this one first, and then I'm going to use the other color. All right, now I'm going to remove the placement tape and do my second color. Coastal blue. All right, sticking my squeegees in the water now. Just need to rinse my hand off so I can remove and transfer. Okay. That looks awesome, people. Very good. Just a couple spots here I want to fix. Just dip a cotton swab in the water and you can do your touch-ups before this is all dry. If you get a couple smears. This isn't too bad. I mean, I still want it to look like it's rustic, so it doesn't have to be perfect. That looks pretty good. Okay. All right. She believed she could, so she did. It's awesome. What do you think? Come check us out on Facebook, Best Classy Chalking. I am also on YouTube, and if you would like to join my Best Classy Chalking VIP group, click add me in the comments. You can also send me a message if you want to join. That would be fine too. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.